Well, today was the day that 2 of our baby birds flew away. We were able to nurture them back to health in just 7 days. We got them on Monday, right? So exactly 1 week ago today. They doubled in size, and this happened. They pooped a few times, but trying to get them to enjoy outside and get ready to leave. I think they're about ready, so the little guy has some time though. But they're watching all the other birds go to the bird feeder over there. Trying to get them to, I have a mealworm in there. Trying to get them to eat that. Definitely close to being ready to go. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Or the next day, very soon regardless. I feel bad for the little guy, he's lagging behind me. He's gonna flap his wings. Oh, get off the little guy. Aww. Aww. It's okay, little guy. Sorry he did that to you. It's okay, I got you. Let's give you a little bit of space. Your brother freaking stomped on you. Oh, give you a little space. He's just trying to fly. It's okay. You're okay. Oh, you're okay. I don't have food. I'm just gonna rub your belly. He's trying to do it too. He's saying, I could be like them. He's just so far behind them. I don't know if he's gonna make it, the little guy. But these guys are sure of their make it. And from after being left to die, falling out of a tree, to 2 out of 3 making, it's gonna be pretty amazing. He's flying, guys. He's flying. He's flying. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. He made it, guys. He's gone. That's it. First bird gone.
I knew it. He's a full bird, Robert.
All right.
He was looking at this way or me. Okay, listen to this. He heard chirping. He turned around and was watching the birds. He flew, Chris.
He's gone.
That's it?
First one flew away.
Where did he go?
Under the fence.
Well, he flew from here to near the birdhouse. But first he flew here. Then he jumped all the way by the birdhouse. That's it? And he's under the fence.
You think this?
Let him go?
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, if he's good, he'll be good.
He tried to get him, but he...
The little guy's not ready yet. But he just came back under the fence, guys. if you could see him down there.
Wow, that was great.
He just went back under the fence. He's right at the fence. Oh, he just popped his head up. He's right in the middle of the screen right now.
Left him alone over there. You know why? There's other birds there. Maybe that's why he's coming back.
Here, this one's about to fly, guys. This one's about to fly. This one's about to fly. Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh, he just took off. He just took off. Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh. Here he goes. He's ready. He's like, wow, this is a whole new world. I just gave him his last bite of food too, so he's got some energy. He's thinking, where do I go right now? I'm free. Incredible. Sorry if I'm not centering this right, guys. It's pretty exciting here to see these guys go. Hey, buddy. All right, good luck in your life. Good luck out there. Here we go. Oh, he's flying. He's gonna. Oh, he flapped his wings. Yep. He's heading towards the woods. It's a dangerous area over there. Dangerous area over there. A lot of crows. There he goes. He's about to disappear into the woods. There he goes. Once he goes in there, he's on his own. Oh, he's trying to fly. Come on, take off. He's coming back our way. There he goes. And I think that's poison ivy over there. He's about to disappear. I can barely see him anymore. And there he goes. He's right up against the fence. He's right in the middle of the screen right now. You look back at us. You look back one more time. And he's gone. There he goes. Wow. Well, this was a rewarding week. The other guy's still sitting by the fence line. They're on their own now. There's a mother robin redbreast up in that tree. I wonder if she knows they're there. She is flying around back there. One's gone. The big one is still against the fence here.
Where's the other guy?
He's right along the fence right here.
He went over there?
Yeah, the other guy's just gone. Went in the woods. This guy's about to move, Dad, over here. He's making a call. He's chirping, this guy. Oh, here he goes. Hear him chirping? Here. There he goes. Oh, he went under the fence. There we go.
Rusty.
I wish he stayed on our side. And there they go. That's it. What a rewarding endeavor to give life to these birds that would have no question perished that night after falling out of the tree, either being found by raccoons or whatever predators are out there. They would have never made it. To see them fly away was incredibly rewarding. We do still have the baby, so I will continue to bring updates. I'm not sure if the baby's gonna make it. He doesn't eat as much as they do, but who knows, maybe he will. So I named him Runty, because he's the runt of the litter. So I'll continue to bring updates on the baby. My estimate would be probably another 5 days to 7 days based on growth rate. Let's see if we can get him to fly away. He's going to be a little harder to get to fly away, but that would be, if we got all 3 to live, that would be incredible. But at least 2 of them have successfully flown away and been given a chance at life to start their own nests and their own babies. So it's good to do a good deed in life every now and then. It's a very rewarding feeling. Thank you to everyone who has watched these videos. We'll continue to bring backyard wildlife videos. It's fun to do. Talk to you soon.